In this video, let us learn how to do Bala Parsva Bhuja Dandasana. It is a basic version to Parsva Bhuja Dandasana. Parsva Bhuja Dandasana is advanced one, very difficult to do. If you are new, if you cannot do that, start with this. This is comparatively very easy. After practicing this for few days, few weeks, few months, once the body is ready, then you can try uh, Parsva Bhuja Dandasana. Now we can do this asana from multiple ways. I'm going to show it from the sitting posture. So fold this leg, keep it like this. Take the other leg like this, and then you need to bend and hold it. And then this foot and this leg, this hand will be on the mat. You need to lift this leg and the body, keep it in the air. This way. I'm going to show the same from this angle for you to see how to hold it. As I said, fold this leg, straighten this, bend and hold it, and then lift like this. After doing one side, you can relax if you want. How to relax? You need to take deep breathings. Dirgha pranayama like this. You can do up to your requirement. The body, the respiration has to become normal. The heartbeat has to become normal. That is why it is very important to relax in between asanas. Once the body is ready, you can try the other side. If you're a beginner, start with few seconds, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds. You can go up to 30 seconds or 1 minute each side. Practice this regularly. That's when you can do the advanced one.